Here it says capital gains under this one. This is a, looks like architecture plans, I would say, for automobiles and transportations. This one is that's a check. Maybe buying a car. That looks like a budget there. I mean, like none of these are car things, but except for there's a car on it. The car is a car thing, in case we're worried about that.
I mean, I guess they couldn't find like schematics for a car.
Nah, I think that they just maybe just kind of made it quick. But I think a lot of this stuff is good. I just have to change some of it.
It's just like, we still need pictures on this. I don't know, just go on the internet, find something. Throw it in there.
Okay, today we are going to do number 4, 10, 16, and 22. We're going to do car D together. All right, first, what's an odometer? Aiden?
Miles on the car.
Right, it's the device that measures how many miles are on your car. Everybody see that kind of, and by the driver's seat tells you how many miles. It just counts. What if you drive the car backwards? Does the odometer go back?
No.
It goes up.
Yep, it's the distance that you've traveled, not whether you've traveled forward.
It's kind of like absolute values.
Right. So, except if it's old enough, right? Don't the old ones actually run back?
Well, if you hit over 1 million miles, it can roll over.
Good to know, guys. So next time you hit 1 million miles on your vehicle and your Corolla.
It won't hit 1 million miles.
You won't?
It just-
Really? Oh, interesting. Okay, so first odometer reading was 23,861 miles. Second odometer reading was 26,571 miles. Miles driven, what should we write for that? How do we figure that out?
Add up the two odometers and then divide by 2.
No, that would be the average. Good idea.
Oh, you just subtract 26.
Right, we're just seeing how much they changed, so just subtract. So I'm going to take, in my calculator right now, 26,571 and minus 23,861. You guys get 2,710 miles?
Yep.
And this tells you how much gas they use. So how do you think we find out miles per gallon? Kate?
We divided the gas by how many miles?
We take this one first, the miles, and then divide by the gas. But yes, so 2710 divide by 208. I got, do you guys get 13.03 miles per gallon? Awful. Awful mileage per gallon. Are we liking car D? I'm not loving that one.
I think you should take that to a scrapyard.
This was made like 8 years ago, so this isn't like an ancient book, right? Like, this is not crazy, yeah?
It's SPG, that's SPG, smiles per gallon.
What?
It's all about smiles per gallon.
Smiles per gallon? Oh, good, guys. Smiles per gallon. You know what? Maybe it is about smiles per gallon, but not 2,710 miles for that, for me. No, thank you. Not with gas prices right now. All right, we're going to keep going. Now it says, approximate the cost of gasoline for a 600-mile trip. Brand Y has this much per gallon, and brand Z has that much per gallon. Why do you think there are 3 decimal places past how much this cost? Have you ever seen that before, that gas has 3 decimal places instead of 2? You should. Right at the gas station over there. Have you noticed that it like gives a price and then gives like a tiny 9 like up behind it? That's because that's the 3rd decimal place, which basically means rounded up would be another cent. Why do you think that they don't just round it up?
Seems cheaper.
Because then it looks cheaper. You might notice a lot of times that especially gas stations like to be like, hey, gas isn't $3, it's $2.99.9. Okay, that's way different.
You may as well just.
You might as well. All right, so everybody, we are taking, what do we have to do here? It's 600 miles. How do I find out how much is it going to cost? First, I probably have to find out how many gallons it's going to take, don't you think? So how do I find out how many gallons it's going to take? Kate?
Multiply the amount of gallons of gas by how much money.
How much money it costs? Absolutely, but first I have to find out how many gallons it's going to cost for a $600.
13.0
That's how many miles per gallon, right? So what should I do with this number and this number?
Times. Or no. Divide.
Divide. So I'm gonna take 600 in my calculator, everybody. 600 divided by 1303. Okay, I'm gonna write down right here. This was 600 divided by 1303, and this got me 46.05 what?
Yeah.
Gallons is how many I need. And now I'm going to do what Kate said, where I'm going to take that 46.05 and multiply it by 2.989. And 3.199. Got $147.31. You guys get the same thing I did? Yeah? Okay, let's stop there for today on the notes together. What I want you to do with your partner right now is, why don't you pick a car and do that one, and for tomorrow I want you to finish this front page, okay? So try to finish this front page. I will give you some work time tomorrow. So I guess actually right now what I'm asking you to do is, do you want me to pick one for all of us to do?
Sure.
Okay, how about you guys, everybody do car B. All right, so try car B with your partner, please. Talk to your partner throughout the whole thing. Do not just work next to each other. Scoot over, Trey.